In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an analytics view in Wrike. Whether you're looking to monitor team performance or track specific project metrics, setting up an analytics view can help you keep everything organized and accessible. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to log into Wrike. Make sure you're connected to your account, as this is where all your project data lives. Once you're logged in, head over to the left sidebar in your dashboard. This sidebar is your primary mode of navigation within Wrike, and it's packed with features to explore. For now, focus on the Analytics or Wrike Analyze section, as this is the gateway to all things data related in Wrike. Once you're in the right section, the next move is to create a new view for your analytics setup. You'll want to look for an option that either says plus new view or simply create view. Clicking this is like opening a blank canvas. It offers you the opportunity to customize your analytics space to fit your project needs perfectly. Now you've got some choices to make. You'll see options to either start with the blank view or use a template. Opting for a blank view is great if you prefer to build your analytics setup from scratch, allowing you the maximum level of customization. On the other hand, if you're looking to save time or need some inspiration, starting with a template is a fantastic choice. These templates come with pre-built analytics layouts designed to meet common tracking and reporting needs. Selecting the option that best aligns with your current requirements will give you a solid starting point for your view. After choosing between a blank view or a template, you'll need to provide some details to personalize this view. Enter a name for your view, something that clearly identifies what you're going to be tracking or analyzing. If you'd like, you can also add a description. This is optional, but it can be incredibly helpful, especially if you have multiple views or if you plan on sharing this with team members. A clear description can offer context and clarity, making it easier for others to navigate your analytics setup. The final step is to click Create. Doing this sets everything into motion, applying your choices and generating your view. From here, you can begin to add widgets, charts, and data points that are relevant to your analytics goals. And there you have it. Creating an analytics view in Wrike doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these steps, you can set up a customized view that offers valuable insights into your projects and performance metrics. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy analyzing!